Juwaraya fire victims receive panic period assistance. The government of Bireuen Regency, Aceh Province, Indonesia through the Bireuen Social Service distributes panic assistance to victims of the fire accident in Uteun Retoh Village, Juang City District. Bireuen, Saturday, January 29, 2022. The assistance during the panic period was handed over directly by the head of the Bireuen Social Service, Bob Mizwar SSTP MSi, accompanied by the district head of Juang City, Musni Syahputra SIP MEcDev, and elements of the Bireuen Regency government. Taruna Siaga Disaster, TAGANA, Regional Disaster Management Agency, BPBD, and local village officials. The assistance during the panic period was received directly by the family on behalf of Juwaraya, who experienced a fire accident. Juwaraya's house was completely burned. On this occasion, the Bireuen Regency government distributed assistance in the form of basic necessities, namely rice, mineral water, cooking oil, instant noodles, and others. As previously reported, a fire broke out in Uteun Retoh Village, Juang City District, Bireuen Regency, the 28th of January 2022, at around 23:45 WIB. The fire scorched one semi-permanent construction house unit belonging to Juwaraya as a local resident. Juwaraya's house was burned down and its contents. No property could be saved. There were no casualties in this disaster. However, for the time being, Juwaraya was forced to temporarily evacuate to her family's house. In that accident, 3 Bireuen firefighters were dispatched to the scene to extinguish the fire.